quality is a very strong attribute within this organization. Here at this Ward Leonard facility, our customers send us their motors, then we can dissect it and figure out why it failed. We can do a failure analysis on it and determine what needs to be fixed and what doesn't, and we can put it back the way it's originally intended to use.
So this facility in general is a newer facility, so the equipment that we use is very modern, very progressive. Our capability is some of the best in the area, as far as from the size of our test panel to what we can do from high voltage all the way down to low voltage apparatus repair, to how we run and test and do multi-channel analysis on the dyno testing portion of it.
A customer can expect a high quality product that once it comes into our shop, we can tear it down, we can rebuild it, we can do all the stuff necessary to put it back in its condition it was originally manufactured. Ward Leonard takes quality to the highest level.
Being a privately owned company, we get to respond and do things at a pretty quick pace. We all work together as a team, and it really makes a big difference, and the customers see that.
I think the added value for a client to be working with us is just to be able to have the access to what they need regarding their unit that's here at our facility. We do have a customer portal that they're able to access if they want to find out what's going on as far as with the testing, what part of the operations it's in, whether it's in teardown, whether it's in assembly. I think that's important. People want to know what's going on with their asset. It's always easy to get in contact with someone, even after our facility closes at 5. We're on call 24 hours a day.
But we really try hard to make sure that transactionally we fit well within their organization. We align ourselves to be a business partner. That really is our business model, that we want to help plants and help operations to keep their uptime at the perspective of helping them to achieve their goals as well. We deploy a multitude of resources into those facilities to help them benefit on cleaner, better, more longevity, more reliable operations. We really do take an ownership in what we're doing every day and then deliver that out to the customer.